justice. Oh my god! After that, guys, it's dinner time. So I'm going to be making spaghetti with eggs, and this is my own way how I make spaghetti and eggs. You can choose to do it my own way, or you can just do it however you feel like, but I just wanted to share this recipe kidogo kidogo here and there. I'm not going to go into depth and tell you everything that I've done. You guys just enjoy and see for yourself. If you want to imitate me or to take this recipe, just do it. But it's so delicious. I'm telling you, it's so delicious, especially when you do it like what I did. So what's up, guys? It's your girl Cookie, and I do content all around me. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Do not forget to turn on my notifications on so that you don't miss any of my videos. And guys, I'm going to be showing you recipes. Guys, these are the vegetables that need to be chopped. So right here we have hot tomatoes and a large onion, and right here we have our broccoli that I'm going to steam. Then I'm going to cook them by just adding onions and tomato, and that's it. So right here I'm going to chop this into large cubes. Yes, I'm going to chop them in large cubes, and then I'm going to blend them so that nipate a nice fine tomato paste. Not tomato paste, but yeah, you understand. And I'm going to chop the other things. So guys, this does not look appearing, but believe me, it will in a few minutes. So these are my toppings of my small pizza. We have onions, some capsicum, and some tomatoes right there. And right here we still have broccoli. I'm going to steam them. And guys, I have only added here onions, tomatoes, and then my spices, as you can see, spices. And then on top I've added some broth, chicken broth, because I have chicken broth, but I still want to blend this. And let me show you what I'm cooking right now. So right here we have the rice, which is cooking. I didn't cook a lot of rice because the only person who is going to eat rice is Bookie, because she loves rice. And this is the chicken, guys. This is the chicken that I was telling you guys about. And the broth is, wow, I don't know, all of this is fat. All of this is fat. I don't know if chicken is little happy, but it's okay. At least my baby girl will enjoy the broth. So guys, my rice is ready. As you can see, imeiva. Just looks so amazing. And this is the tomato paste that I was telling you guys about. Oh my goodness, inakaa tu poa. So I'm going to let this simmer for like 15 minutes. Then I'm going to check on it. I have my chicken that I was boiling so that I can have the broth. I need to make a stew out of this and this, but I don't think if I'm going to mix the two. I'm thinking of putting this in the oven, but I'm like, the oven I'm going to use for pizza and the, what is it called, the bread, so I don't have to do all of this. So yeah, I'm going to stop. So guys, I'm getting ready to pop this in the oven for like 15 minutes so that they can just get golden brown, and then I'm going to pop them into the stew that I'm making right now. Guys, so my meat is in the oven. The reflection of meat there, wow. The meat is in the oven. I'm going to let it cook for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes, then I will show you what next. Guys, I think my chicken has browned up a bit, imekuwa crunchy kidogo, so I want to take them out, put them in that sauce that you have seen so that you can get very tasty. And then I'm going to pop in my bread. Pizza I'm going to cook later. I'm talking about way later when my hubby is back home, because I don't want to eat a cold pizza and I don't want to keep on preheating. Plus I want this dough to rise a bit. Actually it has risen, but I want it to rise a bit. So let me remove this and let's see how when you performance you guys are seeing me do this. Woo. The smell, I am smelling cheek to cheek. The smell is amazing. It's hot, but this is the chicken. Oh my goodness, can you see this? I am smiling. Woo. Wow. Let me show you the chicken in our car. The chicken is amazing. Oh my goodness, this is the chicken. So I'm going to put it in the sauce. So definitely I am going to cover every piece of the chicken with this sauce as soon as it starts boiling. So I'm going to just cover every part of the chicken, then remove it, and then the remaining sauce I'm going to do the same thing with the broccolis. Oh my goodness, the camera is not doing it justice. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's not doing it justice. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Guys, I know hakuna lighting poor, but your girl did this. Your girl did this chicken. Oh my god, amazing. I feel like I want to start eating right now, but I have to wait for baby. But it's so cute. Oh, so beautiful. So guys, we are ready to have our dinner. As usual, this is the chicken, we have our pizza, and then we have our broccoli stew, and then our rice. Now we are about to take dinner, and that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this content, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. It really supports this channel, and see you in the next video. Ciao.